Hello, and welcome, my friend. Welcome to Voice of English Learners, your quiet, gentle space to relax your mind, to calm your heart, and to learn English slowly, softly, peacefully. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind rest. You are safe here. You are welcome here. And you can learn English in a peaceful, stress-free way. Today's episode is called English for a Stress-Free Mind. In this long, calming listening practice, I will speak slowly, gently, softly. I will guide you through simple English. I will repeat ideas. I will give examples. I will help you shadow my voice. And together we will learn English in a beautiful, relaxing rhythm. So, find a quiet place, sit comfortably, or lie down, and let's begin. Intro, letting your mind slow down. Sometimes life feels fast. Sometimes your mind feels heavy. Work, school, family, stress, everything moves quickly. And when everything is fast, your English also feels difficult. But here, right now, you do not need to hurry. You do not need to worry. You can learn slowly. You can listen calmly, peacefully. English is not a race. It is a journey. So today, I will guide you through simple ideas, simple words. So today, I will guide you through simple ideas, simple words, simple examples that help your mind slow down and help your English grow naturally like a soft, gentle breeze. Section 1. Understanding Calm English. Let's start with a simple idea. Calm English is easy English. When you learn slowly, your brain understands better. When you breathe normally, your mind becomes clear. When you stop rushing, you start learning. So listen to these sentences slowly and feel how soft English can be. Listen. I learn English one step at a time. I do not need to be perfect. I enjoy learning slowly. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am learning. Now you can repeat softly after me. Repeat. I learn English one step at a time. I do not need to be perfect. I enjoy learning slowly. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am learning. Very good. Feel the slow rhythm. Feel the calm energy. This is how English becomes easier. Section 2. Your mind and simple English. Let's talk about your mind. A calm mind learns better. A calm mind remembers words better. A calm mind feels confident. So today our English will be soft, simple, slow. Let me give you a few simple words that connect to a peaceful mind. Calm equals relaxed, not worried. Gentle equals soft, not strong. Steady equals stable, slow, not rushed. Quiet equals peaceful, low noise. Clear equals easy to understand. Now let's use them in simple sentences. Listen. I feel calm when I listen slowly. My English grows in a gentle way. I learn at a steady pace. I like quiet English practice. My mind becomes clear when I breathe. Now repeat after me. Slowly. I feel calm when I listen slowly. My English grows in a gentle way. I learn at a steady pace. I like quiet English practice. My mind becomes clear when I breathe. Very good. Your mind is relaxing. Your breathing is soft. Your English is improving. Section 3. Real life calm English. Let's use calm English in real life. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You open your eyes. You hear birds. You feel soft light. You say to yourself, I will learn slowly today. I will speak gently. I will take my time. Now listen to a simple morning English routine. Listen. Good morning. I am awake. I breathe slowly. I stretch my arms. Today is a new day. I will learn something new. I will enjoy my English practice. I am calm. I am ready. Now repeat after me. Good morning. I am awake. I breathe slowly. I stretch my arms. Today is a new day. I will learn something new. I will enjoy my English practice. I am calm. I am ready. This type of simple routine helps your English become natural. Section 4. Calming vocabulary for everyday life. Now let's learn vocabulary for a stress-free mind. I will give you the word, the meaning, and an example. Take your time. No need to hurry. 1. Peaceful. Meaning, quiet and calm. Example, this room feels peaceful. 2. Breathe. Meaning, take air in and out. Example, I breathe slowly when I feel stressed. 3. Focus. Meaning, think about one thing. Example, I focus on the words I hear. 4. Softly. Meaning, gently, not loud. Example, I speak softly to relax. 5. Present. Meaning here now. Example, I stay present during my practice. Now shadow my voice. Repeat softly. This room feels peaceful. I breathe slowly when I feel stressed. I focus on the words I hear. I speak softly to relax. I stay present during my practice. Beautiful. Your pronunciation is getting better. Your mind is relaxing. Your body is calm. Section 5. Slow mini story for calm listening. Now let me tell you a small, calming story. Listen carefully. Let your imagination relax. Let the images appear slowly in your mind. Mini story. A walk in the quiet park. One morning, you walk to a quiet park. The air is cool. The sky is soft blue. The trees move slowly in the wind. You hear gentle birds. You feel calm. You sit on a bench. You close your eyes. You breathe in. You breathe out. You feel safe. A small child runs across the grass, laughing softly. A dog walks with its owner. Leaves fall slowly from the trees. You tell yourself, this moment is peaceful. This moment is enough. I learn English with a calm mind. I am doing well. I am growing slowly. You smile, and your stress begins to fade. Now shadow a few sentences. Repeat, the air is cool. The sky is soft blue. I feel calm. I breathe in. I breathe out. This moment is peaceful. Very nice. Feel the softness in your voice. Feel the quiet in your mind. Section 6. calming practice sentences. Now let's practice calm English sentences. I will speak slowly. You repeat after me. Ready? I learn slowly. I take my time. My mind is calm. My English is growing. I understand more every day. Again, I learn slowly. I take my time. My mind is calm. My English is growing. I understand more every day. Good. When you speak slowly, your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your brain relaxes and your confidence grows. Herb Section 7, Gentle Encouragement. Let me talk to you softly because you need to hear this. You are doing well. You are improving. You are learning English in a beautiful way. Many people rush, but you are learning slowly. That is powerful. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. It is okay to forget words. You can learn them again. It is okay to pause, breathe, and continue. You are on a journey, not a race. You are growing softly, steadily, peacefully. Be proud of yourself. Herb Section 8, Calm English Conversation Practice. Let's practice small calm conversations. Listen. Hi, how are you? I am fine. I am calm today. That's good. What are you doing? I am learning English slowly. That sounds peaceful. Yes, I enjoy slow learning. Now repeat. Hi, how are you? I am fine. I am calm today. That's good. What are you doing? I am learning English slowly. That sounds peaceful. Yes, I enjoy slow learning. Perfect. Herb Section 9, Shadowing Session. Long, slow. Now we will do a longer shadowing practice. Follow my voice. Match my rhythm. One sentence at a time. I am here. I am learning. I am breathing. My mind is calm. I learn in a peaceful way. I take my time with English. I understand more every day. I enjoy slow learning. I trust my progress. I am growing. Again, slowly. I am here. I am learning. I am breathing. My mind is calm. I learn in a peaceful way. I take my time with English. I understand more every day. I enjoy slow learning. I trust my progress. I am growing. Good, a very good. Herb Section 10, Final Relaxing Closing Message. Before we end today's long, calming practice, I want you to take one more slow breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel your mind relax. Feel your body rest. Feel your English improve. You learned many things today. You listened. You repeated. You shadowed. You practiced vocabulary. You heard a calming story. And you learned English with peace, not stress. This is the best way to learn. This is your gentle English journey. And I am happy, truly happy, to walk with you on this journey. You are doing amazing. You are becoming more confident. You are learning slowly, beautifully, peacefully. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me at Voice of English Learners. Until next time, stay calm, stay gentle, and keep learning. Goodbye, and take care.